Today we're making meri chicken pasta, creamy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. It is one of those dishes that feels like a big warm hug in a bowl. Let's start with the pasta. Bring a pot of water to a boil and drop in your pasta. I'm using rigatoni because all those little ridges catch the sauce beautifully, but you can use whatever pasta that you love. Salt it generously and give it a good stir so it doesn't stick. Then cook it until it is just tender. While the pasta is going, let's prepare the flavors. We will need 3 cloves of garlic, sharp and fragrant, some dried basil and oregano, and good quality sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. Crush or grate your garlic so it really melts into the sauce. Then slice these sun-dried tomatoes into thin strips. They are sweet, tangy, and add such a beautiful punch of flavor. We want our sun-dried tomatoes nice and thin. For the chicken, I'm using 2 chicken breasts cut into strips, a sprinkle of salt, a crack of black pepper, and just a drizzle of olive oil is all you need. We are keeping the seasoning light so the chicken soaks up the creamy sauce later on. Rub it in so every piece is coated. Now heat a little vegetable oil in a hot pan and add your chicken strips. You want to hear that sizzle, that's how you know you are locking in the juices. Cook until they are golden on the outside and tender inside, about 10 minutes. When they are fully cooked, set them aside. Now it's time to build the sauce. In a Dutch oven or a deep pan, melt in a couple tablespoons of butter until it is foamy and creamy. Add in your garlic and stir gently. This is where your kitchen starts to smell amazing. Then whisk in a spoon of Dijon mustard. It gives the sauce a little sharpness that balances the cream. Whisk it well with your garlic and break it apart. Pour in a cup of heavy cream with half a cup of water in chicken bouillon and stir slowly, watching it turn silky. Now drop in the sliced sun-dried tomatoes and give them a quick stir so they blend in nicely. Sprinkle in your basil and oregano, about 1 tablespoon, and add a touch of chili flakes, about 1 teaspoon, to bring some warmth to the dish. You can reduce the amount of chili flakes if you don't really like it that spicy. Let it simmer until the flavors come together nicely, then stir in half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Give it a quick taste and adjust the salt to your liking. Now add the chicken back to the pan and let it soak up that sauce. If you are a big fan of pastas, you should check out my broccoli pasta next. I'll leave the link in the description box. Toss in your rigatoni pasta, which we already drained, and let it cook with the sauce for about 5 minutes. Give everything a good mix so every bite is creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. I did try it before without chicken and it was just as good. So if you're not a big fan, you can actually skip it, and you can of course adjust this recipe to your liking. And that is it. Meri chicken pasta, so creamy and so full of flavor. When you serve it, garnish it with more Parmesan cheese and some chili flakes on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.